Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to go over how to get AutoCAD for free. This is for our students who need to get AutoCAD so they can do our course. This also works for Civil 3D, Revit, and any other program from Autodesk. There's two ways to do it. You can either sign up for the free trials or you can get the educational access. We're going to cover both of those in this video. The first way we're going to do this is we're going to just go for the free trial. So just type in AutoCAD free trial, and you'll see that there's the AutoCAD free trial. Click the second or first link from the thing, and you'll come from the search bar, and you'll find this here. You can download the free trial. Once you click download free trial, it'll ask you to create an account, it'll ask you to sign in, it'll ask you a bunch of questions. Just fill that all out, and at the end you should have access to the 15-day free trial. Sorry about that. One thing to note is they may require a credit card for this option. If you're young or you're in school, then we have another option for you, but if you're not, then this is the only way you can go. And I mean, if you're not, then you're probably working anyways and you probably have a credit card, so just put that in. Don't forget to cancel it, or cancel it right away, and you'll still have access to the 14 days. I think so. I don't know. You're going to have to double check. But after that's done, you can get that. So one thing you can do is you're going to see you only get a 15-day free trial for AutoCAD. If you're in my course, you're going to be like, crap, I got to get the course done in 2 weeks. Well, you can double that. So just type in AutoCAD LT free trial, and you'll be brought to this. So you'll see that it has a 30-day free trial. So click on that, and you can try AutoCAD LT for free for 30 days. So everything works the same as going for the AutoCAD for free, except you get double the days. Now you're probably wondering, why do I get double the days for the LT from the other AutoCAD? I don't know. But for our course, this gives you a month to finish our course. That's more than enough time for you to go through, watch all the videos, and get, the projects and everything done. If you need more days than this, then contact us, and we will do our best to help you out to extend this. I don't recommend that. It's a last resort kind of thing. If you're having circumstances beyond our control and you just need help, then come to us and we'll get you prepped and we'll get you another free trial. So what this does is just download it. And, as with the other thing, fill out your personal information, fill out your information, and you probably have to put in your credit card again, and then you can download it. Again, remember, don't forget to cancel it, or else you're going to get charged the $600 or whatever dollars for the program. I think you can cancel it, and it'll still be good for the 30 days right after you apply, but again, I don't know. And then there's another way to do this. So, just go back to Google and type in AutoCAD educational access, and then what will happen is you're going to be brought to this right here. So it's the Autodesk Education and Student Access. This is what I do, and what this does is it gives you access. As you can see, it's a completely separate thing. It's not a free trial. You get a free 1-year educational access to all Autodesk products and services, and it's renewable as long as you're eligible. So it's good for a year once you apply, and then after a year is done, and let's say you still have educational, you're still in an educational institution and you still need the program, then you can go and you can apply again for another year, and it's done in year increments. And this is an absolutely fantastic tool. Most of our students are students in post-secondary or in secondary school, and this is the way we recommend for 99% of you. For those of you, again, who aren't and you need to sign up for the free trial, then go do that. But for the rest of you, you just go here and it'll ask you a bunch of questions on how to get started. So we're just going to go over what they have. Like, they have Fusion 360, we got a course for that. Revit, we got a course for that. AutoCAD, we've got a course for that. They've got Advanced Steel, they've got AutoCAD, AutoCAD LT, Civil 3D. So pretty much everything we use, and then like a million other different types of programs as well. So these are all programs that you can look at, you can download, you can play with it. And we probably have, at the time of this writing, we have 3 courses. So we've got Civil 3D and we've got AutoCAD, and we're working on the Revit one right now. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to figure out, well, how do I get this? Well, just click Get Started, and it'll ask you a few questions like, what's your educational role? So select student if you're a student, give them your date of birth or whatever, like I'm just putting in a random one. And then it'll ask you to create an account. Once you create, I'm not going to go past this stage, I can't. If you need help with this, then feel free to reach out to us, and we will guide you through. We can, get on a call or whatever, guide you through how to get started, and we'll get you going. But I can tell you, once you do, you fill all that out, you get all the information submitted. Once you get all that verified, it gets verified within like 5 minutes, and then it'll tell you that you have, congratulations, you have access to educational access or whatever. And then you can just click here, and you can just click, you'll see a download button. So click the download button, and you'll be able to download whatever program you so desire from Autodesk website. So that's pretty much it. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go to sorry about that. Go to the free trial, and we're just going to see, the AutoCAD LT free trial lasts 15 days, which was, yeah. So if you, again, sorry about jumping around, but I just wanted to double check that for the free trial, yeah, you can turn off automatic renewal before the trial period ends. So do that, and then don't let your credit card get charged. You can't extend the trial. You can purchase a monthly subscription, or you can buy the token things. I'm not going to get into that. I don't recommend at this point buying the tokens unless you never use AutoCAD. They're useful for a certain amount of hours. I think a token is like an hour of use or whatever. I'm not sure, but just be careful with that. So with all that said, that's how you get access. And again, for those of you who are students, please reach out to us if you're having help. For those of you who aren't students, who are